To record the screen of your iPad, you'll first swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to bring up the control center. Then look for this round recording button, which you can tap to start your screen recording. If you don't have it, I'll show you in a second how to add it. You'll get a 3-second countdown and the screen recording will begin. Once you're done, tap the red indicator on the top of your screen and your recording will stop. All screen recordings go straight in the Photos app, where you can view them or share them. If your control center is missing the screen recording button, you can add it by tapping the small plus icon on the top of your screen and then choosing Add a Control. This opens a long list of different controls you can add to your control center, and screen recording should be one of the first options you'll see. Once added, you can resize it or drag it to a different position, and that's how it's done. Leave a comment if you have questions, click the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.